Is this a GIF versus GIF type of situation?
No, I don't think so.
Man, even just saying GIF just there, like, gave me like unease.
Don't even!
Everyone knows it's not right.
It's not morally right.
They just haven't come to terms with
GIF.
it.
Go right away on your giraffe.
Well,
So what are we doing today?
Linus, it's getting a little chilly out there on the frozen tundra of Canada. So Newegg sent us a bunch of parts to build a Winter Wonderland gaming PC.
We're gonna do the cleanest snowblind PC that you ever done saw, and check this out. It has that sick display side panel thing, so I'm really looking forward to this.
Yes, me too.
It couldn't possibly go any worse than that other build that Riley and I did together.
Oh my gosh.
Are you sure?
What?
This is not ECC and this is
No.
a server board.
Oh my God.
I don't believe this will work with a Core 2 Duo. You know this is not DVI, right?
Let's not talk about that.
Sup guys, Future Linus here. Make sure you watch till the end of the video because we'll be giving this PC away for free. We've never actually built a PC together before.
Well, we've tried to.
Yeah, we tried to.
Yes.
Oh wait, we did build a PC. I even referred to it just now. We've never done it smoothly.
No, indeed. This time around, yeah, we're gonna make sure we do it right. I've probably built like 12 to 20 PCs.
I've probably built 12 to 20 PCs in the last few months.
In the last few months. Have you seen this thing in person before?
I am really excited about this. So I actually saw this when they first unveiled it at PAX 2016 or 2017 or something. It was quite a while ago, and I looked at it and I went, guys, you need to sell that thing standalone. That thing is sick.
They were like, and then they did it.
And then they did it. Woo!
So it was your idea?
It wasn't, but I'll take it. I'll take it.
I'll take the credit.
So this entire panel here, guys, is actually a display, but with the traditional backlight portion of it and the rear housing just like removed. So you end up with, as long as you've got enough lighting inside, this really cool kind of ink on the cover of your computer type of effect.
Yeah, it basically hooks up to your computer as a normal monitor display, and you can put stuff on there and have your computer look really cool.
Right.
So we have a bunch of like all white components like this Corsair H100i.
And this Asus Prime.
X570 Pro.
Got a black PCB, but minor details.
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
All right, so let's get started on this thing, shall we?
Let's do it.
Riley, do you remember how to build a PC?
I know. So what you gotta do is get the Mobo first.
Yeah, and then you get these cables.
You're French, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so that's where that comes from.
Put the cables on the table. This is a long cable. Wow, that is really long.
That's the longest cable I've ever seen. It's a Ryzen 3900X. That thing have a Hemi? That's pretty good.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, now, I put that in right?
Yeah, it's that easy.
Is the corner there?
Yeah.
And the corner's there?
Asus really doesn't do a great job of marking their corners anymore. Did you get white RAM? You did. This is the whitest build ever.
Yeah! The whitest build you know.
LTTstore.com.
Hey! Now these are RGB RAM. It's kind of sad because we could
I'm just gonna set it to white.
We can.
Normally I would take this panel off, but I can't really do that because it's more than just glass. Like there's a display in there. It's heavy, right?
It's a little bit unwieldy. So this isn't white, but
it's hidden.
Now this is the one thing that I was a bit confused about. It's a 2080 Ti black, but the shroud is a little see-through, as you'll see when we get to it. I don't know. So maybe with enough LEDs in there, it can light up like the North Sky, you know? Maybe we can get some Aurora Borealis going. I'm sure we can.
Okay, Zoomer.
I know. I think I'm 1 year younger than you, 2
Yeah,
years?
I'm pretty sure you're a millennial, just like me.
Don't put that in there. I need everyone to think I'm very young.
I got my first gray eyebrow hair the other day.
Oh man, I can't get this open. Do you know what variant this is? It doesn't matter.
Wraith.
Wraith?
Don't we have a AIO?
Yeah, what are you doing?
I forgot about that.
Jeepers.
Jeez Louise. Shiza Manelli, you know?
Yeah.
Can I say that on YouTube?
I don't know.
I'm gonna be saying this and the editor's just gonna censor it.
Depends who's editing it. If it's Alex P, then I think there's a solid chance. Can we all stop and appreciate that porn has gotten a lot better over the last 10, 20 years?
Okay, so now we got the Corsair MP600 1 terabyte M.2 drive.
So you need the
I need the
little
screw.
mounting nut and the screw.
You're a mounting nut. Has anyone ever told you that? Oh no, we need an iFixit kit.
No, I don't think we do.
What?
I have a small.
Wait, can you do that one more time so I can see that? Oh, in slow motion. Wow. Okay, there you go. You got the little screw.
Okay.
Can we do this? Like, how are you gonna let it hang? There's cables here.
Oh, wow, that's a lot of leverage.
Yeah, you can't.
I think teamwork's gonna make the dream work here. I got this.
Oh no, now I'm panicking. This goes on the computer?
What are you doing?
I was saying maybe I put the cooler in and then, no, you know what, let's just.
There's not enough room for the cooler in the top. Wait, is this gonna fit?
Uh-oh.
Did we check this?
Everything's fine. Everything's gonna be fine. Oh,
This could work. So is there enough space in here to do the rad on this side? Because that would be sick.
Wait, you mean you have 2 fans and a rad?
Oh yeah, this could work.
Oh, oh, whoops.
Wait.
This thing, yeah. Oh, flabberwinkies, no.
So this comes off. What?
It comes off, and and this goes on.
Yeah. This is a slick looking radiator.
I know, right?
Got the silver accents on it. I like it. Does that not look awesome? It's so glossy and white.
That whole time you were saying that, I was just looking at your face to see the little smirk. Like, I was like, and these are RGB fans as well.
Yes, sir.
But they will be white.
We call this the unbuttered toast build.
Do you want to put this on this side and then the fans on the other side?
Nope. Here's good.
Okay. Can I review the RTX 2080?
Nope. Because we want as much lighting as possible on the inside.
That's true.
To get that effect, right?
That's what I'm saying, is that if it's pointing this way, the lighting, will you see much lighting coming out the back?
Yeah, you'll see a little. Not as much, you're right.
But it's worth it, and you're worth it too.
You're worth it, Riley.
Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's L'Oreal. Well, you could take that off.
Yeah. How else are we gonna screw in the fans on the radiator?
Well, I was trying to.
This is gonna be awesome. I don't think I've had such a thoroughly white-themed build ever. Oh, we're gonna have to replace this fan in the back.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get that out of there. Okay, I'm gonna go grab another one of these white Corsair fans.
Okay.
Hey, Riley, is that a 120 or a 140 mil?
That's a 120, Linus.
Thanks, Riley.
I know these things because I'm good at building computers. Hi, Andy.
I was just gonna run these fan wires.
Oh, okay.
Couldn't find a white one. It's clear though, mostly, and black accents. Is this the screw for the M.2 installation? Did you make any progress while I was gone?
I did put the fans in.
That's it?
Well, it was hard.
Oh shoot, I grabbed an Intel mounting bracket for the CPU, so that makes you feel any better.
Wait, does it not come with one? Oh.
I said I grabbed an Intel mounting bracket. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
I'm so confused. Oh, you just didn't need to grab any mounting bracket.
No, I need an AMD mounting bracket. We're not using Intel.
I know.
What year is it?
My name is Slim Shady. Wait, you're gonna put it in like this?
I always put it in standing up. Seriously?
Okay, here we
That
go.
is a very strange entry technique.
I'm only struggling because this isn't how I usually do
Everything is broken, your boss sucks.
it. Is this a song?
That standoff is getting in the way?
Oh, there we go. You got it in. Wow, anybody could have made that mistake.
Who are you trying to convince, Riley? Yeah, they really make this look easy in the YouTube videos. Curse you, Kyle, Paul.
I've waited this long to tell you this, but the first time that I built a PC, I used Paul's hardware tutorial on Newegg, on newegg.com/YouTube.
You know, we had how to build a PC on NCIX Tech Tips.
We did. No one should watch those.
So we're gonna do the front USB 3. So if you just kind of bring it out a little bit further, kind of give it the old bendaroony.
Give it a bendaroony.
Yep.
I've heard of that, but I've never done it myself.
That's what that move is called.
A bendaronu.
The bendaroony. Why did we choose a black graphics card, specifically black?
I'm gonna be straight up about this and say I didn't pick these parts. Jake did.
I mean, if you're into like, you know, nerdy you know, transparency. Wow, that is really cool. I like it. That is sick. So I'm guessing Jake just wanted an excuse to have one of these in the stable so that when we want to use it for stuff later, we'll have one.
Well, I figure also like a lot of the graphics cards that have white shrouds, it's white here, but then here it's not white.
Yeah.
So if you stick it in like that, you won't see the white anyway.
Exactly.
So that's why I picked it.
Good job, Riley. Yeah, that is noticeably not white. I cut myself. Actually, it's dry. I must have cut myself at home, so I'm not gonna fill out a report. So all your fans go into your Commander Pro, and then you take the whole thing and you go,
Oh, geez. Hey, it is the cleanest build ever, especially in the back.
from what you can tell. We are done.
Yes.
That's it.
All
Don't
right.
close the panel though, it's bad luck.
And I shouldn't rip off the plastic?
That's fine, you can rip off the plastic.
Don't make noises.
That does make me uncomfortable.
Now I have to make it awkward to like make it a little better, like.
We finally finished. Oh shoot, I closed it.
No, Linus!
You ready?
I'm so ready. Let the cleanliness begin.
Why is this not lit up?
Oh, did you plug in the Molex?
So far, none of this is really an especially good sign. Come on there, computer.
Come on, buddy.
Good job, computer.
Press enter.
Hey, we good?
Well, we're in the BIOS?
Yeah, that's good.
Yes.
All right,
Did you try going in the BIOS?
32 gigs of RAM, advanced mode. Let's get that XMP DOCP.
XMP DOCP. Yeah, you know me.
Sweet, now I just need to know why the lights are not on. Ah, oh, my eyes. I'm having a hard time here, Riley. Do you want to help guide me in here?
Yeah, it's basically.
Am I not lined up?
It's lined up, but it's hold on, the one tab. Ow!
Well, hey! Huzzah! Let's go ahead and close it. You know, you can really tell that NZXT designs their cases with like a system builder mindset. They really are very easy to build in and just like throw everything in, slam them shut, and just never think about it again, you know? You've got the utility preloaded on here, right?
You can basically use anything you want with this because this is literally just, it shows up as another monitor.
Right, if we plug it in. Did we plug it in?
There's a thing to plug in. I'll be right back.
Oh. Did you hear me when I said I got an Ethernet cable? Bummer, because I didn't. Wow. Is it working?
It is. So,
It's color, you say?
I believe so. You can see
Wait,
the
what is that?
taskbar.
Oh, wow, it is there.
Yeah, the taskbar, it's on there right now.
Huh.
So,
Where's our mouse? Hey, there it is. Look at that.
super visible down
You
there.
could do some web browsing. Browse the web.
Yeah.
You know? Go on that hub.com there.
What?
Hey, look, no one can see it. It's fine.
Oh,
That is so freaking cool.
that looks great.
That looks awesome. So you can control the shape and size of your window.
Ooh.
That is sick.
That is so cool.
I love it. Freaking awesome. That is so cool. I absolutely love everything about this.
Ooh, it's
mean-
a beach.
Why go outside when you can have that? You want to play Rocket
Well,
League?
let's see if it runs on that. You know, this is it's kind of like a proof of concept. You could like just have this be a portable all-in-one, you know?
Yeah, all you need is you just need to put something white behind it here. Look, try this. How's this on for size?
That's not good. A paper would be really good.
What, you don't like the sheep skin?
Oh no, it's very tasteful, very good.
I bet it'll work fine. Look, you can totally see it. It's fine.
But I wanted to try to game without it.
Oh, really? Well, there you go, good luck.
I can do it.
Oh, there it is. I couldn't
I
see
hit
the
it.
ball until then. Wow, you did too.
I scored!
No way! What?
Yes!
Okay, can we all just agree that this is absolutely sick? And thank you guys for watching, and massive thanks to Newegg for sponsoring this build. There was really no purpose to it other than to just, you know, show you guys how easy it is to build a super clean looking machine these days. And also I just wanted an excuse to do a build in this case because I've kind of been sitting on it for a while and I really, really, really wanted to try it out. And of course it's available on Newegg.com. Look at that. That is freaking cool.
Yeah.
When's the 144 hertz version coming?
I know, right? Gaming side panels. Go away, Scout. Ha ha ha, take that. Well, that was a fun build, but now you guys get to have some fun because we are gonna be giving this away courtesy of Newegg. All you gotta do is go to newegg.io/Linus and enter to win the cleanest $3,000 PC built and signed by me. Wait, signed? I didn't sign it.
Oh yeah, that's a good spot.
Enter to win at the link below.